wake up every morning, go to work, come back home, and somehow there's still never enough money. You're not lazy, you're not stupid, you work hard. So why does wealth always feel just out of reach? What if I told you, the real reason you're not rich has nothing to do with your job, your salary, or the economy? The real enemy is hiding somewhere much closer. It's living inside your own mind. It's your brain. Your brain was designed to keep you alive. And those are two very different things. Today, we're going to expose exactly how your brain is quietly sabotaging your financial life, and more importantly, how to stop it. If this sounds like something you need to hear, and trust me, you do, make sure you watch this entire video. It might change everything. Why do people who win the lottery end up broke within 5 years? Why do some people earning $30,000 a year build more wealth than people earning $150,000? Why do you keep telling yourself, I'll start saving next month, and next month never comes? Why does buying something new feel amazing for 1 hour and then empty the next morning? The answer to all of these questions is the same, and it starts with understanding something called the scarcity mindset. Before we go deeper, hit subscribe right now. It could be worth thousands to your future. Chapter 1. The Scarcity Mindset, the Invisible Cage. Scarcity mindset is when your brain is constantly focused on what you don't have instead of what you could build. It sounds like this: I could never afford that. People like me don't get rich. Money is for lucky people, not for me. These aren't just thoughts, they are programs, running in the background, every single day. Scientists found that when people think about financial problems, their cognitive function drops, the equivalent of losing 13 IQ points. Think about that. Worrying about money actually makes you worse at solving your money problems. It's a trap your own brain sets for you. The scarcity mindset keeps you focused on today's crisis. It makes long-term thinking almost impossible. This is why someone drowning in credit card debt can't think clearly about investing. Their brain is in survival mode. The scarcity mindset is often inherited. You absorbed it from the conversations around your dinner table growing up. We can't afford that. Don't talk about money. Rich people are greedy. Sound familiar? Those weren't just sentences. They became your beliefs. Chapter 2. The Abundance Mindset. The upgrade your brain needs. An abundance mindset is not about being naive. It's not about thinking money will fall from the sky. It's about believing that wealth is learnable, that opportunities exist, that your financial situation is something you can change. People with an abundance mindset ask different questions. Not, can I afford this, but how can I afford this? That shift from can I to how can I changes everything. It turns your brain from a threat detector into a problem solver. Warren Buffett didn't become the world's greatest investor because he was born with a gift. He built the mindset first, then the wealth followed. Studies show that people with an abundance mindset take more calculated risks, invest consistently, and recover faster from financial setbacks. They don't see a market crash as a disaster. They see it as a sale. They don't see a setback as proof they'll fail. They see it as data. Chapter 3. Your brain's chemical enemy, dopamine. Your brain releases dopamine when you anticipate a reward, not when you receive it. When you anticipate it, this is why shopping feels so exciting before you buy something. The moment you click purchase, dopamine drops. The thrill is gone. So what does your brain do? It looks for the next purchase, the next hit. This is not weakness. This is neuroscience. The entire retail and advertising industry is designed around this exact loop. They are not selling you products. They are selling you dopamine. Every dollar you spend chasing that feeling is a dollar that will never compound, never grow, never work for you while you sleep. The fix is not to stop spending forever. The fix is to redirect that dopamine hit toward financial progress instead of consumption. Watching your savings account grow can trigger the same dopamine response if you train your brain to find them exciting. Chapter 4. How to actually rewire your brain for wealth. Habit 1. The 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. This one habit alone can save the average person over $3,000 a year. The dopamine hit fades. The desire disappears. And your money stays in your account, working for you. Habit 2. Automate your savings before your brain can object. The moment your paycheck arrives, a portion automatically moves out. Your brain never gets to argue with it. You never feel the loss. This is called paying yourself first, the most powerful wealth habit that exists. Habit 3. Feed your brain better inputs. What you consume mentally shapes what you believe is possible financially. Read one book about money per month. Listen to one financial podcast per week. Surround yourself, even digitally, with people who talk about building wealth. Your brain is neuroplastic. It physically rewires itself based on what you repeatedly think about and expose yourself to. You are not bad with money. You were never taught to be good with it. The system around you was designed to take your money, the advertising, the one-click checkout, all of it engineered to bypass your rational mind. But now you know. And knowing is the first step to changing. Your financial life changes when your thinking changes. What is one money belief you grew up with that might be holding you back right now? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and your answer might help someone else watching right now. If this video shifted something for you, even slightly, please like it and share it with one person who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more videos that connect the science of the mind with the strategy of building real wealth. New video every week. I'll see you in the next one.